Good afternoon. Almost, maybe. Well, close to noon. So I just wanted to get on here and show you what I was going to do with my eyes today. I have not done a live in a while, so I thought, well, I have a few minutes before I have to leave. I'll just put some shadow on for you. So I'm going to use a couple cream shadows. I'm going to use Unapologetic, which is by far my favorite color, period. Probably of all time, makeup or otherwise. And then I'm going to use Mysterious in there too. I've sprayed them down with a little bit of rose water to kind of help moisten them back up. It's been a while since I used them. I'm going to put some on. Hi! Good morning. I'm going to put this Unapologetic. Dab it on right in the corner, right above my crease. Hi, Amy. How are you? Okay, so with cream shadows, you want to put it on by pressing it into your brow, or your lid, not sweeping it. Okay, so you have a cream shadow brush to help apply that. You just want to press it, because if you don't, you'll end up with shadow boogers. And I say that lovingly, okay? What happens is, because of the, hey Becca, because of the formula of this stuff, if you rub it back and forth, it'll ball up, right? Okay, so when you press it, you'll be able to apply it better and more evenly and without those little booger things. Okay, I'm gonna take my crease brush and I'm gonna wipe it off real quick because I wanna blend this out before I put anything on. So you're gonna pat the color in and then you're gonna blend it out and then you can put another color in and blend that out. Does that make sense? Okay, so I'm gonna take this. It's nice and dense, and it's got natural bristles. So if you grab the end of the brush and just lightly go back and forth for little circles, it's very easy to blend out those edges. This shadow goes on as a cream but dries to a powder, so once it's dried, you are very easy to blend. Do you see how that just makes it real pretty and soft? It is easy, Crystal. This is so easy. That's what I'm saying. Like, this is so easy. The cream shadows are like ridiculously easy. Like, if you're not used to wearing eyeshadows, I would highly suggest you get cream ones to practice with because they're infallible. They're so easy. They don't crease. They've got great pigment. See that? So simple. Okay, so I'm gonna add my other color to this now. Actually, there's 3 colors I want it. 3 total colors. So that was Unapologetic. I'm gonna grab Mysterious, which is kind of a really pretty metallic rose almost. Not purple, not, I don't know, it's kind of hard to describe. But that's, see how pretty that is? Okay, I may have too much on my brush. Take a little off. Okay. I'll just grab some on my brush, and then I'm gonna go right here. Thank you, Crystal. I like it. Like I said, that was my favorite color probably of all time. I have a living room wall that color. So I'm gonna put this kind of in my corner. I'm gonna spread it about halfway over. Okay, so you can see a little bit of depth there. Hi, everybody. I'm just doing a quick tutorial with the cream shadows, Splurge cream shadows, because I'm in love with them and I love them so much, and it's been so long since I've used them. I'm just like, it's time. Okay, so I've put it in my corner and I've spread it out a little bit, about halfway over, because I'm gonna grab one more color real quick and do the corner of my eye. I'm going to blend this out real quick with my crease brush again to blend them together. Let me grab that third color. I forgot I was going to put this color on, so let me get it right here. Okay, so we're going to end with Extravagant. Okay, you ready for this? Boom! Okay. Now, Extravagant is kind of a gold. Well, it's definitely a gold, but it's a gold shimmer. And we're going to put that from the corner to where we met up with that mysterious color. I got a little too much on my eyelashes. Be quiet. See, we're just highlighting that inner corner with the Extravagant. I got a little too much on my brush. So the important thing to remember about cream shadows is to press them on, not swipe them on, okay? And then they go on as cream, but they dry as a powder. So once they dry, they are so easy to blend, and it's not a big deal at all. So I'm gonna grab my crease brush again and just lightly go in here and kind of blend those couple colors together so that's nice and evenly distributed. Oh, you've been putting more of that stuff on your lid. Pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna grab
You mean the brush?
Nope, I don't need that brush. Thank you. I'm gonna grab the Unapologetic, which is the color I started with. I'm just gonna grab a little bit on my cream shadow brush. I'm just gonna line the bottom of my lashes with it. My eyelids. It's garbage, Love Pie.
What?
What do you mean, why?
Is it for this?
No.
For your tripod?
Nope, not my tripod.
For this? For this? The tripod?
It's a tripod, and no, that's not what I'm using it for.
What is it?
Millie, please stop. You're going to knock this off. Back up. I said it was garbage. Just leave it alone.
I mean to see in the mirror.
You can have my mirror in just a minute.
I get the hang off there.
Please stop, Millie. I've already done my concealer and coverage. Shh. Millie, shh. So I'm not going to put any more on. However, I am going to put some mascara on. I use Epic every single day that I wear makeup.
Ready?
And it's by Fri-Yay. Millie Elise. I don't know what you just threw, but no. Put that down. Naughty.
I was on bone.
It doesn't matter what it is. I don't want you throwing things in the house. You'll
It
break
wasn't-
something.
I wasn't on bone.
It doesn't matter what it was, honey. It's mine, and I don't want you throwing things. End of story. Period. We're done talking about it.
But
No, there's no buts. We don't throw hard things in the house, and you know that.
where's my slime?
I don't know. Okay, so when you're doing Epic, you want to start from the base and work all the way up, twirling the wand if you can, not zhuzhing. Don't zhuzh. Zhuzhing's not good.
Mommy, where's the wall?
It's also helpful if you look down.
Mommy,
I'm horrible at that,
where's
but you
the
can look down.
wall? Where's the wall?
Your rolling pin is upstairs by the couch.
Oh. And I need some Play-Doh. I need some.
Well, we'll have to get some Play-Doh or make some because I don't have any at the moment.
But
I know you think we have Play-Doh, but you ruined it and we threw it away. I hate Play-Doh.
why did you throw away?
Because you ruined it. You mixed it all together and you left it out in the air and it dried out. Millie, please don't. Go find your rolling pin, please. Do you really think that's the best choice for you to be doing that?
Mm-hmm.
No.
I'm putting the lights on. This one?
You can zhuzh on the bottom, just not on the top. Oh my goodness.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
that's the mystery of the missing handle.
Mystery of the missing handle? What's missing a handle?
The sleeper?
The sleeper. What are you talking about?
Yeah, it was missing. And then,
Oh, the sweeper. The broom?
yeah.
The broom, your toy broom? Yeah, it is missing the handle. I bet you, though, it's around here somewhere. If you went and looked for it, you'd find it.
Yeah. Here, this.
Oh, no. We're not going to blame your cousin.
I know.
Because it's totally fixable. And you can go find it right now.
But it disappeared.
Mm-hmm.
And I can't.
It disappeared because you won't go look for it.
And that's what happens
Yeah. Okay.
when it's the mystery.
Second coat of Epic, you guys. And this is, I try and focus this on the
I
ends.
think it's the song.
Or the middle to the ends instead of going all the way down to the base because we've already got the base on.
Excuse me.
Yes, Millie.
Why is this hot? Why is it hot, Mommy?
Why is what hot?
This hot.
Your lip bonbon? Because you've been holding on to it for about 30 minutes.
No, not this one. The other one. The other one.
I don't know the other one that you're talking about.
It's in your bag.
Nope. The other one's in the car, I think. You left it in the car.
Yeah, I got to go get it.
I'll get it when I'm done here. Okay, so 2 coats of Epic, and then
gotta
I'm
get
going
my
to throw
shoes
on a
on,
little bit of
And
lip
I
liner
got to Chloe.
and the color Pompous.
It's
Do you
right
need to go to the bathroom?
No. Let me look at my
Pompous is this
lipstick.
pretty wine color.
My purple lipstick is ruined. And
It's
I
not
need-
ruined, honey.
I got to get it. I got to get it, Mommy. I got to get it, Mommy. I'm so...
I will literally be done in 60 seconds. Please just wait for me. I don't want a real bright lip because I've got bold eyes, so I'm just going to put a little bit of liner on.
Mommy, Lottie is so sleepy.
And then I'll type,
Mommy. Excuse me.
yes, I know she's sleepy, honey. I'm going to top it off with a little bit of
She's so sleepy.
lip hottie. Now, when I get my lip oil, I'll use lip oil, but right now, this is the only clear like lip gloss I can put on. And there we have it, you guys.
Mommy,
3 colors of, just a second, 3 colors of Splurge Cream Shadow. I used Optimistic, no, Unapologetic, Mysterious, and then Extravagant. Excuse me, I'm trying to talk. For these 3 shades up here on my lids. So if you have any questions or interested in these, you can get these in a trio and save a little bit of money. So at any point, if you have a question or comment on these, just comment below and I'd be happy to send you a message, okay? Happy Friday. Have a great weekend.